Ladies and gentlemen, tech lovers, and OnePlus fans, today, we dive deep into a smartphone that doesn't just keep up with the future, it defines it. Introducing the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, a device engineered for those who demand speed, power, and elegance, all in one palm-sized marvel. Performance like never before. At the heart of the Ace 5 Ultra lies the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, a beast of a processor designed to push boundaries. Whether you're gaming with ultra graphics, editing 4K videos, or multitasking like a pro, this phone responds instantly. Paired with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone isn't just fast, it's futuristic. App launches, game loading, and system transitions are buttery smooth. Display that dazzles up front. You're welcomed by a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED curved display, supporting LTPO 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching HDR videos, scrolling social media, or gaming competitively, the visuals are rich, vibrant, and responsive. With peak brightness around 4,500 nits, outdoor visibility is unmatched even under harsh sunlight. Pro-grade camera system. The OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra isn't just powerful, it's smart with its photography too. It sports a 50MP Sony IMX890 main sensor with OIS, accompanied by a 8MP telephoto and an ultra-wide lens. The result: sharp, detailed images in any lighting condition. Portraits, low-light shots, ultra-wide landscapes, everything looks cinematic. And for the selfie lovers, a crisp 16MP front camera that nails skin tones and sharpness. Battery and charging your day. Supercharged. Powering the device is a 6,700 mAh dual-cell battery. But what's jaw-dropping is the 100W SuperVOOC charging. From 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. OnePlus's advanced battery health engine ensures longevity, so you're not just charging fast, you're charging smart. Sound, software, and experience. The stereo speakers deliver immersive, high-fidelity audio, whether you're watching YouTube or listening to your favorite tracks. It also supports Dolby Atmos, enriching the sound experience further. Running on ColorOS 15, China variant, based on Android 15, the Ace 5 Ultra brings fluidity, intelligent features, and a clutter-free experience. Expect smooth animations, customizable themes, and advanced privacy features. Design, bold yet balanced. The design language screams premium. With a matte glass finish, sleek curves, and a refined camera module, it feels flagship in every sense. It's available in bold colors like burning titanium phantom black and breezy blue, giving it both elegance and personality. Final words: the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is more than a smartphone, it's a statement of performance, luxury, and innovation. It challenges the status quo of what a flagship device should be, delivering cutting-edge hardware, futuristic speed, and camera prowess in one sleek package. So, if you're ready to upgrade to a phone that's ahead of its time, the OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra is calling. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.